Hi everyone, how are you? I hope everybody is doing really nice and having fun learning, right? So why am I here? I'm here primarily because of this. One picture is worth 1,000 words. I want to make an argument in front of you. And no better way to make an argument by stating certain obvious truths, isn't it? So keeping that in mind, I'm just framing an argument for you, right? All the, you name the biggest of the historians, be it your Herodotus, right, who's known as father of history, discipline of history, be it E.H. Carr, right, be it R.S. Sharma, or be it your B.B. Lal. Who's B.B. Lal? The guy who recently got Padma Vibhushan, right? You look at each one of their work, one of their primary assumption is that history without geography is not making any sense. You're not giving the correct context. You're decontextualizing history, reducing it to mere facts. In fact, both these disciplines, history and geography, they complement each other. They must complement each other. So once so many learned people have established it, why the hell we still stick to the old school way of trying to look at history as simply, mugging the facts up and regurgitating it? Why do we reduce history to such a pathetic state? It should not be done so. In fact, we should ensure that we are breaking these mental barriers which we have in our head. These barriers of treating paper 1, 2, 3, 4 of your, civil services examination, treating them in silos, treating these topics like history, geography in silos. Any question which appears in front of you will have an historical perspective, and history will be determined by geography. So unless you know these basics, your knowledge is not knowledge. You're basically trying to just learn facts and hoping that question passed it, right? So keeping that in mind, I'm so sorry, I'm still new at this, so I will keep messing it up for a while. So keeping that in mind, we at Edukemy, we have decided to launch a new series, right? It's like around 3 videos of 20-25 minutes each every week. And the name of the series is Nakshebaazi, learning through maps, through Nakshe, right? We will try and pick up 25, 30 important themes. When I say important, what do I mean? I mean important from the perspective of your UPSC preparation, depending upon the kind of themes on which UPSC focuses. We will pick up certain maps and look at them exhaustively, right? For example, I'll just give you a teaser into what do we have in mind for the first episode. For the first episode, we intend to look at the trade of Harappa. How the Harappans traded, from which region they got what. These aspects we will look at through maps and images. Because remember, Albert Einstein said it. One picture is worth 1,000 words. Right? Okay? This is what we are planning to do here. So you should try and be here. Okay, we will look at these maps and these themes, and I'm sure it will be fun. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.